Reserve Bank of India lowers the risk weights for lending by banks to NBFCs. It's an absolutely spot-on move. In November 2023, 25% risk weight was increased for lending to non-banking financial services. Now, what does it mean? It means the borrowing cost on the one hand will go up for the NBFCs. The banks also has to have higher risk-weighted capital allocation if they lend to NBFCs. So it was slowing the lending, slowing the borrowings for the NBFCs. Again, in turn, their financing for microfinance or other inclusive lending, inclusive growth, which we talked about, was getting degenerated. Now, by withdrawing this circular, effective 1st April, mind you, 1st of April 2025 onwards, you will have additional increase of 25% will not have in terms of lending by banks, and obviously the borrowing cost will also come down. The banks lending to microfinance is also going to scale up. NBFC will have cheaper borrowing relative terms, and they can also be inclusive in terms of the overall lending. That's the bottom line. So essentially what we are talking about is recognition of the opportunity to keep the economic growth momentum going. That's where the RBI policy plays a role. Monetary policy and also aiding the fiscal policy by the regulator is a key, so that there's an alignment between the monetary and fiscal, so that the economic momentum is not at risk. And that's what precisely the new governor has done.